Want to process your MongoDB data at speed? Complement MongoDB with Astera and quickly turn your data into insights. Effortlessly integrate the database with your existing data pipelines without writing a single line of code. Just drag and drop the built-in connector onto the Dataflow Designer and then choose your options. Check Enable a set of replica option. This will prevent downtime and fetch your data from a secondary server when the primary server is not available. You can also choose your preferred server from the drop-down menu. Once connected, use MongoDB's own filters to manipulate data before extraction. Easily integrate extracted data with popular data warehouses, databases, and file formats using Astera's library of connectors. Transform it using Astera's built-in, code-free transformations, and load it to the destination of your choice. Our solution automatically detects schema and maps your MongoDB data to a relational database such as MySQL, SQL Server, and more. Use Astera's data cleansing and validation features to ensure your data is always reliable. Automate the entire process using Astera's job scheduling and monitoring features. Try Astera free for 14 days and see how you can ETL your MongoDB data with ease.